happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we are actually out here on Memorial Day, doing a little Memorial Day ride. And we got my buddy iRockerC over there, and then my boy Edwin right here, man. And we're gonna end up heading out to, we're gonna ride the National Forest a little bit, man, this morning. And so we're gonna ride out there for a minute, and then come back, and we're actually doing another little afternoon ride with my brother and them, so we'll be headed with them after that. But so today, man, since it's Memorial Day, I do want to take a minute and remember all the military men and women, man, that have lost their lives to give us this freedom we have in this great country, man. So just take a minute, man, and give remembrance to them and honor them, that the military men and women that have lost their lives, man. I've got a lot of family in the military, and so it hits home pretty good. So let's take a minute, man. All right, kinfolk, y'all ready? Let's do this. I don't know how I ended up leading, because I'm not good at leading, as y'all already know. But we'll try it anyway. It's been a little minute since I've been on the bike, kinfolk, to get out and actually ride, man. You know, it feels good to be out here. Right now it's like, it's cloudy, man, a little overcasted, and it's like 75 degrees, man. It feels really good right now, but this afternoon it's supposed to get in the mid 90s, so it's gonna be hot. It's definitely gonna be hot. I hope everybody's been doing good, man. I'm glad to be able to get out and get y'all some more content. It always feels good to be on the bike, and feels even better to be able to ride with the fam, man. So my wife is actually out in a Comic-Con. They had one here in Houston today, and so she's out there doing that with her friends. And my son, man, he's actually at a family reunion, but he took off on his motorcycle, so he gets to ride anyway. But he went to Victoria, Texas, man. That's where his mama's family's from, and so they're all headed out there. So we don't have them today, but that's all right. We're still gonna do it. We're gonna meet my brother and his buddy here this afternoon for the afternoon ride. We're gonna run over to Mancuso Crossroads, and they're having a Memorial Day event over there, so we're gonna hang out over there for a little while, and then we're probably gonna hit up a brewery, so have some lunch there and drink a couple beers, and then end the ride, man. So that'll probably be a separate video, kinfolk. I'll make this one video, and then that way I'll have another video for the following week. And then also I've got my new patches on from FXDLS Brooklyn. I got one here, and then I've got the other one on the backside, man. And y'all see that on Natty Nights. I'll show y'all a little close-up of all the patches I've gotten already, which Natty Nights is coming up first Friday of every month. And if you want to be a part of Natty Nights, man, make sure y'all go ahead and check out the P.O. box down in the description. And if you want to send me anything, kinfolk, it doesn't have to be patches, it doesn't have to be stickers, it can just be a letter, and let me know how I'm doing, and on the channel, let me know what you think about it. You'll be featured on Natty Nights, man. I'll give you a shout out, and if you've got a YouTube channel or Instagram, I'll also include that in there. And so if y'all want to do that, check out the P.O. box down below, man. Whew. had to make a pit stop, boy. I had to pee like a mug. Shoot. It's all good now. Let's continue, kinfolk. Oh my God. All right, kinfolk, so let me tell you what just happened. I was sitting there talking and talking and talking, and I wasn't even recording. Ah, dang it. All right, so let me tell y'all again what I was saying. So Instagram and YouTube has really got me screwed up, man. YouTube, I'm not getting any notifications as far as people that I'm subscribed to when new videos drop. Some of them I am, some of them I aren't. I'm not. And then also, if y'all leave a comment on my videos, sometimes I'm not getting them. I'm not getting the notification that I have comments. So if y'all leave a comment on one of my videos, man, and I don't reply if I don't reply as fast as I usually do, it's probably because I didn't even get the dadgum notification. So don't be mad at me. I'll end up seeing it sooner or later, man, and I'll reply back to you, because I always try to reply back to everybody's comments. So and then also on Instagram, same thing, man. Like when I go on Instagram to watch people's stuff, I'll get stuff posted a week ago and I won't even know it was up, because every time I go on Instagram, it's showing me old stuff. So I know if you turn on notifications for that particular person, it will let you know anytime they post something. But man, my phone would be going crazy if I ended up putting notifications for everybody I follow. So if y'all really want me to see something that's, you know, if you're posting something that's intended for me, make sure you tag me in it so I know. And when you tag me in it, that's when it ends up sending me a notification that I'm tagged in a picture. So other than that, man, if if I'm not liking your pictures or commenting on them, it's not because of me, it's because of Instagram. But whatever. Oh, and then I also was talking about how much I enjoy riding the National Forest. The temperature drop in here is amazing, man, especially when it's hot. It's nice and cool in here. As you can see, it's because it's a shit ton of trees. Uh-oh, hang on a second, got a phone call coming. Yeah, hello. Nah, on the motorcycle in the National Forest, what's up? Alright, so that was Bubba. He just made it to Victoria. So he said it cost him $26 in gas. And he was like, oh man, that's way better than the truck. I said, yeah, that wouldn't even got you half a tank. So anyway, but yeah, man, I was talking about the National Forest, the temperature change, it feels really good. And I think this is Edwin's first time riding the National Forest, so it's really cool, man. And if y'all ever get a chance to come out to the Sam Houston National Forest, do it, man. It's a good ride. It's definitely a good ride. I think every time we go to Yankees, I think we end up coming through the National Forest. I don't remember, man. My sense of direction sucks, as y'all know, and I can't ever remember how to get to anywhere unless I ride it all the time. Alright, kinfolk, well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, man. We're just gonna finish this out, turn around and head on back. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little notification bell so you know whenever I put out videos, if YouTube's not being stupid. And man, I appreciate y'all. Much love, much respect, kinfolk. And until next time, stay safe and we'll see ya. Knuckles out.